Hey everyone, welcome back to Lux Life. Today we're checking out something truly amazing, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome, a machine that mixes Scandinavian design with modern adventure. Volvo is famous for safety, comfort, and smart technology. Now they've taken all that experience and created a motorhome that feels more like a luxury apartment on wheels. It's made for people who want freedom, comfort, and style wherever they go. From the outside, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome looks clean, sleek, and very premium. It has Volvo's signature front grille, sharp LED matrix headlights, and a huge panoramic windshield that gives an incredible view of the road. Retractable mirrors, flush windows, and smooth body lines help reduce wind noise and improve airflow. Solar panels on the roof help power the systems, and hidden side compartments give you plenty of storage. At the back, slim LED taillights complete the modern look. Step inside, and it instantly feels like a Scandinavian-style home. The interior is bright, warm, and peaceful, filled with soft colors and high-quality materials. Volvo's simple and elegant design makes the whole place feel both relaxing and practical. The cockpit is futuristic, with a full digital driver display and features like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, making long drives super easy. The living area is built for comfort. You get soft leather seats with heating, cooling, and even massage options. The dining space can turn into an extra bed, so you never waste any space. The kitchen comes fully equipped, an induction stove, fridge, microwave, and even a small dishwasher on the higher trims. Soft LED lights and automatic climate control keep the space comfortable day and night. The bedroom offers pure relaxation with a plush, queen-size memory foam bed, reading lights, plenty of storage, and in some models, a retractable TV and a skylight for watching the stars. The bathroom is surprisingly luxurious with a rainfall shower, a modern vanity, and a smart water-saving system that recycles gray water. Perfect for long trips off-grid. Under the hood, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome uses a hybrid engine that mixes a turbocharged petrol motor with electric motors. You can drive up to 150 kilometers on electric-only mode, making it great for quiet and eco-friendly travel. The adaptive suspension gives you a smooth ride on both highways and rough roads, and features like blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, and hill descent control make handling this big machine much easier. Prices start around $180,000 and go up to $240,000 depending on the features. It's not cheap, but considering the comfort, advanced tech, and Volvo's reliability, it's worth it. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a new way to travel. It gives you the feeling of home wherever you go, making every journey stylish and comfortable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more luxury and futuristic travel videos here on Lux Life. Would you take the 2026 Volvo Motorhome on your next big trip? Tell us in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.